Hello, my name's Jeff Lamb. I am the Divisional Manager of Barrett, but I'm also the President of HRI. HRI was founded in 1947 by Herbert R. Impt. Currently, we have 3 regions in HRI. The first region is the West region. The West region is led by Jeff Reeder as the Regional Manager, with Jesse Steffan as the Assistant Regional Manager.
My name is Jesse Steffan. I'm the Assistant Region Manager for the West region of HRI. I've been here 22 years. The West is based here in State College. We have 3 asphalt plants. We manufacture hot mix and warm mix asphalt material. We also perform paving, mainline, municipal, and commercial paving, and all manners of road work. That includes bulk earth moving, grading, GPS grading, stone placement, as well as drainage and slip form and flat work concrete.
The heavy environmental region is led by Charlie Fuller, and they do work primarily throughout the state of Pennsylvania into Maryland, West Virginia, and Virginia.
I'm Charlie Fuller. I'm Region Manager for the Heavy and Environmental Construction region. I've been in this position for about 3 years with HRI, and I wanted to take this opportunity to thank our guys in the field who've worked through the winters, worked through the summers, done a great job, built quality infrastructure for the United States. We've built plants, bridges, overpasses, drainage, interceptors, municipal pipelines, you name it. We are one of the few regions inside of Barrett that actually doesn't put down our own blacktop and those sorts of things, so we're a little bit unique.
The third region within the company is the East region. The East region is led by Lauren Rufinak as the Regional Manager. Their office is located in Muncie, Pennsylvania, and they do work predominantly in the east part of the state along the I-80 corridor.
So I'm Lauren Rufinak, a Regional Manager for the HRI Eastern region. I've been working for HRI 2 years now. What I like here that it's an innovative company based on a strong core value as a safety, respect, accountability, and I think it's also a key for the success for tomorrow.
The people would make HRI.
And the team that we have, the way we've been able to maintain the long-term employees with people that work for us that have 40+ years of experience, but then also bring in a lot of the new people and the new engineers, and as well as the new field people, and just bring them all together in one team that works together for high quality, high production, safe work with a professional attitude.
I'm Andrew Shelton, Human Resources Director for the Pennsylvania Division. I've been here for almost 3 years.
Hi, my name is Chris McHugh. I'm the Safety Director for the PA Division.
Hi, my name is Andrea Wharton. I am the PA Division Controller within Barrett Industries. I've been here for about 9 years.
Corey Fish, work for the West region of HRI here. Project Manager, been here, this will be my 12th season.
Josh Smith, Project Manager with the HRI West region. I've worked for the company this was the beginning of my 13th season with the company. I'm a project manager, started out as an intern, promoted to project engineer, and now project manager for the last 9 years.
My name's Kristen Taylor. I've been with HRI for 9 years. I started out as an intern, and I am now a project manager in the West.
My name is Brian Tibbott. I am the Region Controller for HRI West in State College, Pennsylvania. I've been part of the group for 19 years.
My name is Daren Eckley. I've been with HRI West Region for 7 years. I'm the Senior Estimator.
I'm Scott Hoover. I'm the Chief of Surveying for the West region of HRI. I've worked here for 12 years.
I'm Alex Griesach with the HRI West region. I've been here full-time for 3 years, and I interned for about 1.5 years before that.
Hi, I'm Sydney Page. I've been working for HRI for about 18 months now. I just got brought on as the engineering estimator in the West region.
My name is Ray Alexander, and I am a project engineer for HRI West region. I started as an intern 1.5 years ago, and this is my 2nd week as full-time salary.
Hi, I'm Katie Veneta. I have been working at HRI for about 7.5 years.
I'm Leigey, and I
I'm a job cost administrator for the West, and I've been here 28 years.
Hi, my name's Matt Mileski. I've been here at HRI for 7 years, and I work in the safety department in the Western region.
So my name is Makenna Pick. I'm a project engineer. I've been with the company for 4 years, an intern for 2, and then full-time the past 2 years.
My name's Kurt Reese. I'm a project manager for the Heavy and Environmental Construction Division, and I've been with HRI for 15 years.
Hi, I'm Brian Orbsby with Heavy and Environmental. I'm a general superintendent for HRI. I've been with the company a little over 2 years.
My name is Lora Croyle. I've been with HRI for a little bit over 2 years, and I am a project accountant.
I'm Vic Couturiaux. I'm a project superintendent. I've been with the company for 33 years. Started out as a laborer and worked my way to a project superintendent.
My name is Roxanne Williams. I'm a staff accountant for the Heavy Environmental Construction region, and I've been with HRI for almost 5 years.
My name is Brandon Culbertson. I'm a senior project engineer for the Heavy Environmental region.
My name is Adam Kreider. I'm a project engineer, and I've been working for HRI for 3 years now.
My name is Sherry Jordan, and I've been with HRI for 6 years, and I'm a staff accountant.
My name is Steffan Mills. I've been working with Barrett for the past 10 years, and currently I'm regional controller for the HRI East region.
My name is Marsha Albertson. I've been with the company 22 years, and I am a senior accountant.
All right, so my name is Frank Costanzo. I'm a project manager for HRI's East region. I've been with the Colas group, Barrett, for 7 years. I started out with Barrett Paving New York Central in Syracuse in 2012, and I came down here to HRI in February of this year, so February 2019.
My name is James Hess. I'm the operations manager, and I started in 2003.
My name is Bruce Mackin. I've been with HRI since 2005, so close to 15 years. I'm a project estimator here in the HRI Eastern Division.
I'm Leif Salveson. I'm a senior estimator. I've been here since 2006, so 13 years.
My name is John Sprague. I'm a project manager, and I've been with HRI probably 8 years in June.
I'm Brad Pierce. Been here with the company for 11 years and in sales and business development.
William Wright, asphalt plant manager of all 3 Eastern region plants. 19 years plus with the company.
I'm Rachel Dixon. I am a project manager, and I've been here for about 8 months.
The culture within HRI is really family oriented. We really take care of our own, and it really is like an extended family. We all look after one another. We want to make sure that we go home safe every night. We really help out when someone needs assistance, and we try to be there for one another.
It's important to us that every single employee that we have goes home at the end of the day unharmed and uninjured to their family as well as to their loved ones.
The safety and the safety culture within the region and within our company is paramount. It's the way we do business, and it's who we are.
Our guys take that to task when they focus out there in the field on the safety, the day-to-day, getting our guys home with 10 fingers and 10 toes.
Over the years, the safety has improved, leaps and bounds compared to what it was in 1986 when I started.
Our daily huddles really help out, just our foremen and superintendents making us aware on a day-to-day basis of what everybody's going to be getting into. Has just been a really good way to implement safety within the company.
I'm generally optimistic. For the past 4 years, we've got the Vanguard Safety Award in the West region, which means we had less than 2.0 accidents was our accident rate. And last year, we had no recordable accidents.
We proved that Living Goal Zero is achievable. We had over 280,000 man-hours worked with 0 recordable accidents. So we're going to continue our efforts to make sure each and every one of our employees get home safely on a daily basis.
So one of the other exciting things about joining the IA and HRI teams this year as part of the PA division is we found this common thread of community involvement and servicing with the community. And we're really excited this year, both all of the HRI regions and the IA region are joining together to play in the Coaches versus Cancer Golf Tournament. So we're actually going to have 5 teams that are all playing in late May and joining together for some fun and fundraising and just a great way to get involved in the community.
We went with the local Red Cross and had a blood drive, and it was so successful it became an annual event. But we're really proud of the fact that every year we hold a blood drive and give back to the community in that respect.
"2019 is going to be a safe and prosperous year. I want to thank everyone for all the hard work that they'll put into 2019 and the success that we'll have this year.